Oh, thank you, Tuco. Good kitty. Good kitty. Alright, you want to try these brand new bolts? Fresh off the printer. Check that out. Oh, quality control. Success. Hey, Tuke, do you want to take them right off the build plate? Do you want to try that? No, you're much more interested in them when they move. Alright. Good job, Tuco. Good boy. That one checks out. Right. Cool. That one works. Oh, you missed that one? Good job. Good job. That was a hard one. This is a different bolt. That's okay. You found a bolt. That's all that matters. Alright, Tuke. Oh, this is a hard one. Sometimes they get stuck in the door. You got it, Tuke? Good job. Such a good cat. Alright, we got 4 more to test. Oh, that one's good. Great. Alright. This one's a little stringy. Oh, not a strong string though. Cool. Ready? Good job, Tuco. Alright. Cool. Another bolt. Ooh, that sounded fun. Good job, Tuco. Alright, last bolt. Ready? Good job. You've been a great cat. Thanks for helping me test these bolts. You'll be seeing a lot more of them.